Hello everybody. So today we will be talking about input and output in Python and basically how we manage the inputs, how to read data, and the output, how to put this data to be accessible, visible, or on the prompt or anywhere else. First, we'll see some output formatting. And with this, for example, we can use the F functionality of Python. For example, here we can embed those variables inside of the string here with this F function. And we have, for example, results of year. We have the variable like this and events. So the parsing of this string uses those curly brackets to embed the variables. Next, with some nice usage of Python Python sugar syntax, so we can make millions look just like this. Here we can see that we can use the format function as well and use those curly brackets as this one is for the first bracket for the first variable, this one is for the second variable, and the second variable we just take two. Let's say we do like two. We use this dot two just to say that this person dot two just to say that this percentage will be printed in a format with just two digits after the comma. We can do like dot three, and we will have 3 digits after the comma. Here we can also use str of s. It's like string of s, which is just a basic conversion of s. Here we can do a representation of s, which is actually taking the string literal and putting it inside a string. And you can see that they are quite different. And we'll see more on the difference later on. Here we can transform this number into a string. Like as I said, like string is a string conversion of whatever it's inside. It's a function to convert whatever to a string. Here we can have the embed these values. If we want to embed x and y into a string, we have to convert them to a string, of course, and then concatenate them inside the string of that we want to put them inside, and we can print this string, and we will have x and y this way. And here we have the importance of, for example, the difference between string and the wrapper. So if we put hello in string, we will skip a line here with the, we'll add a new line here after the hello world. But if we do a representation of this string and we try to print it, we'll print it with the new line, the new line identifier, and this way you can or the new line functionality. And here is the measure, let's say, difference between string and wrapper, str and wrapper function. So here we can see more on wrapper function, as we can enter a tuple in it, and we will have multiple information inside a string.